Welcome back to Northern Tesla. Today I'm going to be trying on and reviewing these custom center caps from Custom Aero Wheels. Tesla has always sold a set of aero wheel caps. Previously it was something like these. These aren't the Tesla ones, but a cheap Amazon knockoff. Basically they cover the center cap of the sport wheel, and it comes with lug nut covers as well. The problem with these though is they are an absolute pain to take off. I'm not sure if the Tesla brand ones are any better, but these were really difficult. Because once you have them on, if you want to put your aero caps back on, these guys got to come off. The go-to method is usually a suction cup. I found one and it worked okay. It was still a pain. One didn't come off, so I had to pry it off. It's just not a good idea. But what if I told you there was a better way? Oh wait, cliffhanger! Before I tell you the better way, please take a moment to subscribe. All right, so in comes Custom Aero Wheels with their complete cap design, which goes over the top of the center cap and lug nuts. In fact, a few months ago, Tesla switched to this style, so I guess Tesla for once copied the competition. They are available at customaerowheels.com and sell for $60 US. Look below for the link. So the awesome guys over at Custom Aero Wheels sent me over a set of their caps. I actually do like them a lot better than the Tesla ones. The Tesla ones on their website, they look flat, so a bit boring. I like these little lines here. Adds a bit of character. And the best part is that they're cheaper than Tesla and they're customizable. You can get either this cap in gray or black. And the Tesla T actually comes with a bunch of different colors like black, white, blue, red, chrome, and gray. So these are black ones. So let's go ahead and install them and see what they look like. As you can see here, I have the aero cap already installed, so we're just going to take that off like so. And all you want to do is they're really easy to install. Is you just want to line them up, push. It's that easy. And they're just to take off. Again, easy again. Like the old center cap style was a pain. These are so much easier, and I think they look a lot better. Definitely a fan of these. They look really good and they stand out and give you that custom look for your Tesla that everyone's after. I'll have the link in the description, so check them out. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next week. The center custom caps from Aero. Tesla has always sold a set of aero cap of the, basically they cover the center wheel. Basically, they cover the center wheel of the car. Basically, they cover the center cap of the sport wheel. And it comes with lug nut covers, too. So, the awesome guys over at Custom Aero Wheels sent me over a set of their caps. So the awesome guys over at